Welcome to the 2025 Guide to Etoro Markets, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of online trading. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. First, let's start with the basics. Etoro markets offer a wide range of assets, including stocks from top companies like Apple and Google, commodities like gold and oil, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. To get started, you'll need to create an account on the Etoro platform, which is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and verification. Once you've created your account, you can start exploring the different markets available on Etoro. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily search for and find the assets you're interested in trading. You can also use the platform's filtering tools to narrow down your search by asset type, industry, or geographic region. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading aspect, which allows you to connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. You can follow top traders, see their portfolios, and even copy their trades. This feature is especially useful for beginners who want to learn from more experienced traders and gain insights into the markets. When it comes to trading on Etoro, there are several key concepts to understand. The first is leverage, which allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account. This can amplify your gains, but it also increases your risk. Another important concept is stop loss, which is a tool that helps you limit your losses by automatically closing a trade when it reaches a certain price. To get the most out of Etoro markets, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the platform's fees and charges. Etoro charges a spread on each trade, which is the difference between the buy and sell price of an asset. The platform also charges overnight fees on certain assets, so it's essential to factor these costs into your trading strategy. In terms of best practices, it's crucial to develop a solid trading plan and stick to it. This includes setting clear goals, managing your risk, and staying disciplined in the face of market volatility. It's also essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis, which can help you make informed trading decisions. Finally, Etoro offers a range of educational resources and tools to help you improve your trading skills. The platform provides video tutorials, webinars, and online courses that cover topics like technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. By taking advantage of these resources, you can gain a deeper understanding of the markets and improve your chances of success on the Etoro platform. In conclusion, the 2025 Guide to Etoro Markets is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the platform and its features. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can gain a solid understanding of the Etoro markets and start trading with confidence. Remember to always manage your risk, stay disciplined, and keep learning to achieve success in the world of online trading.